I'm so congested. Yeah, me and how you're twinning and I. According to the National Sleep Foundation, about 45% of adults snore. I'm not a part of that number, but my husband is. After trying everything under the moon, finally found something that actually works. I literally get mad at my husband if he doesn't put this on before he goes to sleep. You put these little stickers on your nose. I've been super congested the last couple of days, so I've been a mouth breather. Ready? See how big they make it? Get the fuck out of here. Why I look like a pig? But I can breathe.